Right, no boring intro, let's get into it. As the title suggests, we're back to the 3D prints. This time, it's Deckard's gun from Blade Runner. Harrison Ford. The proper Blade Runner. There you are. So we're going to do this video a little bit in reverse. We're going to do, the gun is 90% assembled, but I've not sprayed it or done anything to it yet that I want to. So I'll flip it around, we'll have a quick look at the gun, have a look at the print files that came with it, and we'll go from there. Welcome back, people. Please like, subscribe if you haven't. 98% of you watching some of these videos aren't subscribers. Why not? It's only a click for you. It does a massive help for me. Big up, people. Ooh, what are we printing, Doc? Not telling you. That's for later. That's another project. Okay, let's get this kind of set up. There we go. Right, so there we have the gun itself. Now I know you're going to start shouting, you've got red grips on there, not amber, not orange. That was the only transparent filament I had at the time, was red. So I will buy some transparent orange. I may use these to make a mold and make my own resin grips. I don't know, I haven't decided. But for now, I like the look of those. They're different, but the same, if that makes sense. So I've loosely assembled most of the gun. Got to have springs in the triggers, we've got to have LEDs. There's other bits and bobs we've got to do, but obviously I want to paint and spray the gun first, which means disassembling it. So I've only loosely put it together. In this version, the barrel does come out. It's a little bit sticky, and we're losing the camera. There you are. Right, the barrel does turn, and it does come out, and it does accept the bullets, which they come as a casing and a top for you to paint, and then you can put a metal bar inside to give them weight. But it does accept the bullets, just to make it look even more authentic. So we'll click that back in, like so. It's got the lock on as well. So yeah, we're going to take them apart, spray them up, do some electronics. I have started. This now goes on the opposite side. I'm not going to make this too long-winded, but this goes on there, like so. Cables go down into the bottom of the magazine, which then has more LEDs, the battery and magnets to hold it closed. And it all runs off a CR2032, I think they are, which I've just dropped on the floor. Apologise for that. There it is. And then this will be all connected to the battery. So if I just plug that in to show you, I can't touch them at the moment. Oh, there we go. How's that? So I've made up that little wiring piece. I've got to do more for the LEDs in the cassette, and I'm using a cheap set of LED 3 and 5mm bulbs off Fleabay. I'm learning with soldering, so please be gentle with your comments if you look at my joints and everything. So right, yeah, what came with the files for the gun as well, I wanted to show you this because I was really impressed. The chap that's uploaded this, I think it's a male. I do apologise if it's female, but I think it's male. The chap that uploaded the STI or STL files also uploaded like a build book for print-offs, and it's got everything that you need to do. Come back here a bit. With the build, it goes down to what size screws, fixings you need. Again, there's a piece of studded bar in the barrel as well, just to give the gun more weight. There's studded bar in each bullet in the casing to give him more weight. You've got two options for the barrel, whether it's resin print or filament print, and really detailed. I got to be honest, self-explanatory. Again, tells you everything you need, sizes, goes into the wiring. Really detailed. It even gives you the little switch that you need. It gives you the details on the code of where to source that, and obviously the battery's going to sit inside that bottom magazine as well. Yeah, really impressed. Orange grips, I know. Don't shoot me down too much. But yeah, it's showing in this version, it's showing the gun as being mostly silver, some black, but really bright. And from the film, it is darker. It's almost black. I know it's gun blued, but it's almost black and weathered. So I think I'm going to do that version. I've got quite a bit of reference pictures I'm going to be working from. Gloss black. I think I'm going to make a transition with satin as well, and then probably accent like the trigger fronts. I may brush those with a little bit of gold colour, just change things up a little bit, but still stick to the main overall look of the gun. There's no hammer in this version, and you can see straight through, so I may blank that off as well, or I may do a little hammer. I don't know yet. But yeah, I'm really impressed with the print on this, I gotta be honest. It's anyway, stop waffling, let's get to it. I'll take it all apart. I'm probably gonna fast forward all that, but you'll see it being taken apart, and then we can start painting things. There's a bit of work to do on some of the print. Didn't come out too well. I've done a couple of prints of the trigger guard, and they all seem to suffer with the same problem. Can you focus on that? Maybe not. Anyway, there you are. Yeah, I used silver PLA for the body. I used grey for the frame, but I will be painting it. Clear red for the grips, and P-Teg for the cassette, because I didn't have any PLA black here. And all the little fixings I bought from Bamboo site. So that's quite a long intro really. So let's get into it. Thanks for watching, people. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. 98% of viewers that watch my videos aren't subscribed. It really does help me with the channel. Let's do it.